Everyone deserves a hand. And the fabulous innovators with vibrant energy of Team 5 hope to deliver with their follow-on to the LN-4. Imagine the most evolved vision of a purely mechanical prosthetic hand. It would look like a real hand. It would have 4 digits, with 4 fingers with an opposable thumb. It would feel like a real hand. It would have soft areas, pliable to gently grip onto objects. It would move like a real hand. Will have multiple motion of the digits and full range. It would be able to lock onto an object, to grab onto it and hold it comfortably. It would attach to the user's limb quickly and comfortably, and also be adjustable to their specific shape. And of course, it would have to be very low cost, easy to assemble, and quick to service by easily replacing the digits. Using xDesign and 3DEXPERIENCE platform, we developed a number of concepts to evolve those visions and become reality. With a diverse group of individuals spread throughout the world, we used the platform to share ideas, sketches, and models. And then we took all those ideas, put them into prototypes to validate fundamentals of our design, leading to what you see here today. So please come see our full presentation so we can go through all the details and show you the path and the journey that we took.